Coco, couple meal on my plate. Let's eat. I'm investing in real estate. I just went and gave my mama 100. Probably won't hit me open my mouth, let you hear me talking about finding some money.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with a Pride Month inspired look. I really love how this turned out. I ain't even gonna lie, like I was kind of scared to do like the color in the background and the color on the lid and then some color at the bottom, but it turned out real cute. So make sure you guys go ahead and continue to watch. I was using my Louise base in the number 0.5. I'm using my colored Raine palette first. I'm taking the red out of here. Up here, it's called Sauce, and I'm using the M506 to pack this into my crease. So on the exact same brush, I'm gonna take my Zulu palette from Juvia, from Juvia's Place, and I'm taking the orange and I'm packing that right beside the red. I'm using this one because the one from the colored Raine palette doesn't really have a orangey, like a really orangey color. The one in there is a little bit more red, and I really want my orange to stand out. And as you guys can see, like with tapping motions or patting rather, either one really, but they pretty much blend very well together without you having to do too much work. You really could use whatever yellow you want to, but I'm gonna go back into the colored Raine palette because I was really trying to stick to this palette anyway. But yeah, like I said, I didn't have the orange in it that I really wanted. I'm gonna take a lemon drop on another M506 and you know, like keep going with my little packing motions. On this, I'm gonna try to add, well, I feel like I didn't put enough yellow on this side, but I just want to make sure I have enough room for all my colors. Also from the colored Raine, the rest of my colors are coming from here, by the way. Actually, I'll show y'all. But okay, so now I'm taking this green on an E17, and then you're gonna see me pick up another E17 and grab this blue up here. Yeah, this palette is very pigmented, like very pigmented. It's sad, but I really didn't know colored Raine was black owned until recently. I didn't know that until after I bought the palette. Yeah, I've been gone for a little minute because I'm really working hard to try to get my quality and everything good. I got my camera and I bought new lights and everything, but I just really have to like play with it and see how I really want it to be. Yeah, it's kind of a long story, but hopefully I will be to recording like all my new equipment and stuff soon, because a lot of people were saying my last video wasn't, I guess, up close enough for you guys to really see the look. Yeah, I agree. So yeah, I'm just in the process of getting my new setup and everything, and then we'll be back in business. So now I'm just going back through each color to blend. Going back into my orange from the Zulu palette. Y'all don't blend, you don't always have to go back into more color. I mean, I do because I like the way it looks, but yeah, if you don't want to add more color, or if you're scared that it won't blend, then you don't really have to. You can just take your time to buff out the color that's already there. So what I did for this eye here, I'm going to show you guys because I'm probably going to still do it. I added like the neon green from 3503 palette, I think, from Morphe. That neon green is in here because the green was not trying to blend with this yellow, and it's still really not. So I just took that as a transition shade, just a lighter green, and tapped it in there. But on this eye, I feel like it kind of took over my yellow, so I literally took like a whole hour and a half blending this one eye. Believe it or not, it really be taking forever. And that is also why I never end up doing both eyes on camera. I just feel like when I do a cut crease, it takes too long to do both eyes, because then I have to do my face, and I mean I have to do it anyway. But as far as me like having to edit all that and y'all see the same thing twice, I just... So yeah, the green is really not trying to blend with the yellow or whatever. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my 3503 palette from Morphe. Took this really bright green. I'm going to tap this color. I'm going to tap some off. And I'm going to just tap it right in between the yellow and the green. So it's like a nice gradient. Okay, let me go back into the yellow. This is what took me forever, because I mean blending yellow is already so hard to work with, y'all. Are y'all gonna get the new I just be talking, are y'all gonna get the new base from Louise? I'm so sad that I missed out on the other one, the darker one from the Brights collection. When I went to order it, she was like, oh, we're not, like, it's discontinued basically. I hate they did that. But the other yellow they have is like a pastel, like really bright yellow, and I don't know if I'm gonna like that. For this kind of harshness right here, I'm going to take an E27 brush from Morphe. So on this eye, I did like a cut crease, but it's kind of like a halo. But when I was applying my base, I don't know, something ended up happening right here, and the purple just was stuck. It was set in place, was not trying to move, wasn't blending. So I'm going to try to prevent that on this eye. On this side, I'm going to take the blue and green again from the color Raine palette. And I'm going to take the pink, and I think I used this purple. And I'm gonna create like my halo on this side, and you guys see I'm gonna leave a little line above, or like in between my crease and the color. So yeah, like I was saying, I'm gonna apply some glitter off camera. I'm doing it off camera because I have so many videos already of me applying glitter. But I have this neon glitter stacker, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some of the pink, the purple, the blue, and the green on my lid only, not up here, but like on my lid only. And then I'll be back. I think I'm gonna add some white eyeliner in the crease as well. But yeah, I'll be back after I add my glitter. The lashes I'm using today are the ones I literally always use. They're by Lashes by Xenae in the style Rhea. Yeah, these are Rhea. So I'm gonna add some black eyeliner to my bottom, to my waterline. Alright, now I'm going back into my colored Raine palette. I'm taking the shade Splash, which is the one I didn't use earlier because it looks too red. But I'm using this one on an E18. I'm gonna smoke this out right underneath the black. I use this one because it's like a perfect mixture of like the red and the red and the orange. So yeah, and it's so pigmented. And then literally right under that, I'm gonna add some of the yellow. So for highlighter, I'm using my Shot with Shodney highlighter. This one is in the color Cinnamon Water. Set with the NYX. This is a dewy setting spray. me back up some. My first time using it, I didn't know it was gonna spray like that. Alright, you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy today's look, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you are of course subscribed. Thank you guys also for 13K. I don't think I've uploaded since then, but thank you guys so much for that, and I will see you guys in my next video.